Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy MLB tickets on Gametime. Now, buying MLB tickets on Gametime is quick and straightforward. So you can do it through the Gametime mobile website or the Gametime app and many Major League Baseball games. So here is exactly how to do it. Open your preferred mobile browser and visit the Gametime website, which you have here. And if you already have a Gametime account, just sign in. Now, go ahead and tap the search bar, which is at the top of the page. So you can search by your favorite MLB team, the opposing team, the specific city, a game date. As you type, Gametime will display matching games. I'm doing MLB. So I have my MLB, let me just say MLB All-Star game. So just click on that. So here you go. After selecting the game, you'll see all available ticket listings. You take a time to compare ticket prices, seating sections, row numbers, quantity available. Gametime updates ticket inventory in real time, so prices and availability may change while you are browsing. If there are many tickets available, just use the filtering tools to find exactly what you are looking for. So tap any available tickets to open the interactive stadium seating map, which we have here. So the map helps you to see exactly where your seats are located, compare different seating sections, and better understand your view of the field before purchasing. So this makes it much easier to choose seats that suit your preferences. Now, once you find the seat that you want, just go ahead and tap on the ticket listing. So from the map, I tapped a seat, and that's section 132 route 13, and that's like the price. So once you're done, just go ahead and tap on continue. So it takes you to the checkout page. Now it takes you to the checkout page where you have to choose your payment method. Choose how you pay. You want to add a card, you want to use Google Pay, you want to pay over time, just whatever you choose, or you want to pay with GPay. Choose whatever option that suits your payment method, and once you're done, just go ahead and click on place order or complete purchase. Now after your payment is successful, Gametime will send you an order confirmation by email. How you receive your tickets depend on the event. For many MLB games, just open Gametime app and click on My Tickets or Tickets and select your upcoming games. Tap View Ticket to display QR codes for entry. Now, if your game isn't part of Gametime's direct MLB integration, you may need to access your ticket through the MLB Ballpark app using the same email address you entered during checkout. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.